GetSportsFocus is presented by Dr. Ting Sports Medicine and Orthopedic Surgery.
CCS Wrestling Finals. We start with the big boys. You're looking at Christian Rebotaro, number 3 in state, from Montevideo Christian, doing what he does on his opponent, Luke Cruz of South San Francisco in white. 2 takedown in the first, but this is key. Cruz will get the escape right before the buzzer. Rebotaro will get a point for escape in the second period, and so will Cruz to start the third to make it 3-2. And then this. Cruz backed up Rebotaro to the scores table, knocking down the scoreboard's power line. Cruz getting all WWE with another point for stalling called on Rebotaro. So now we're tied up at 3. In overtime period, watch the setup by Rebotaro. He knew Cruz would try to back him up. The snap and the perfectly timed double leg shoot. Christian Rebotaro is the CCS heavyweight champion of the world. Just kidding, he's the CCS heavyweight champion. Up next, we have the 220-pound match. Adrian Galindo in blue representing Aptos. Midi had 2 grapplers in the finals. Here's one of them, Blake Flovin, the stud backer from Midi, getting his takedown on early in the first. Second period, Flovin would get the escape to extend his lead 3-1, but check it out. Galindo with the power move. That's 2 takedown. Flovin with the heads-up move gets the quick reversal. Excellent scramble by Flovin to make it 5-3 in his favor. Late third, Galindo sitting like a rock. Pops up for the quick escape. That's a pretty fast move for the big boy. And he will get the takedown before time expires. Check out the duck under and around. Nice move there by Galindo, 6-5. Mid-third, Galindo getting stronger by the minute. Another takedown. 9-6 is the score now with about a minute left in the match. Closing seconds of the third. Flovin, he needs to make something happen here, but Galindo will catch him off guard. The power move will result in a pin. There it is. Adrian Galindo of Aptos is your 2016 CCS 220-pound champion with a pinfall at 5 minutes and 53 seconds. Down to the 195 we go. Number 7 in state, Noe Garcia of Gilroy. 1 of 9 Mustangs in the finals, taking on WCAL champion and CCS number 2, Dominic Christmas. Scoreless first. Garcia gets the escape for the first point of the match in the second. Third period, Christmas ties it up. This match was so intense and went all the way to period number 7, better known as the Ultimate Tiebreaker, UTB. I think that's what it stands for. Christmas on top. If Garcia escapes, he wins. If Christmas prevents him from doing so, he wins. 6.7 seconds left in the match. Garcia gets the escape, but time runs out. Dominic Christmas of Sarah holds on with an upset win over the defending CCS champion, Noe Garcia. Both are headed to state. One of the best matches of the night, despite some controversial calls by the ref and the clock issues and all that. 182, the other mini monarch, Daniel Chade, versus Lucas Olgiati, the other Monte Vista Christian in the finals. Chade with a takedown. Looked like the official called both wrestlers out of bounds, and that's why coach was upset. But there it is. The correct call was made after all. 3-1 after 2 periods. We fast forward to the last half of the third. Lucas with the escape. That made it 3-2. A takedown would win it right here. But Chade would hold on. Daniel Chade of Midi takes the 170-pound CCS wrestling title. If you are wondering, or should I say, if you're familiar with CCS Wrestling Championship, you probably know there's something kind of different with the matches you've seen so far. And of course, the obvious question is, what happened to the spotlight? Well, let me show you. This is the 170 bout between Jalen Membreno of Serra, and Alvarez Matthew Martinez. Martinez is a sophomore ranked number 1 in the CCS. Membreno is a senior. Martinez dominating the match, and here he is getting some back points late in the third when poof, lights went out. Yep, it was dark. But it didn't matter. Matthew Martinez went on to win. Major decision, 14-5. We'll have more highlights under the spotlight. Stay connected to Get Sports Focus.